In this question, we have -8 minus -12. Because we're subtracting integers, we're going to use a strategy called KCC. This K stands for keep. And that means we're going to keep the first number, this -8 here, exactly the same. So in this box here, we're just going to keep -8. The first C here stands for change. And what happens is we're changing the subtraction into addition. So minus will change into plus. And finally, this C also stands for change, but we're changing the sign of the second number to its opposite. The number we have here is -12, and the opposite of -12 is +12. So -12 changes to +12. Like I've said in previous questions, when we're dealing with adding signed numbers, negatives and positives, it's always best to think of it in terms of money. Let this -8 represent $8 that you owe somebody. And let this +12 represent $12 that you have. If you owe somebody $8 and you have $12, can you pay them back everything you owe them? Well, yes, because you have more money than you owe. And after you pay back the money you owe, what will you be left with? Well, that's +4. Basically, what's happening is we're subtracting 12 minus 8. But the reason we know it's positive is because, like I said before, we have more money than we owe. Or you could think of it as we're more positive than we are negative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.